Hey, everyone! Welcome back to How To with Mr. Mulin. In today's video, we're diving into a unique yet highly effective study technique using Lofi music to boost your focus, motivation, and productivity while studying. So if you struggle with distractions, mental fatigue, or just staying on task, this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end. I'll even recommend the best Lofi playlists to get started. Let's begin. Section 1. What is Lofi music? Lofi, short for low fidelity, is a genre of music known for its calming, imperfect sound. Think mellow beats, soft background noises, and often a nostalgic vibe. Unlike pop or lyrical music, Lofi doesn't distract your brain. It creates a soothing background atmosphere that helps reduce stress and keeps your mind from wandering. Section 2. How Lofi music helps you study. So, how exactly does Lofi music help you study better? 1. Reduces anxiety and stress. Soft, repetitive beats help calm your nervous system, perfect before exams or intense study sessions. 2. Improves focus. The rhythmic patterns in Lofi activate the part of the brain responsible for concentration, helping you stay in the flow state. 3. Blocks distractions. It acts like an audio shield, masking distracting background noises like traffic, people talking, or even your own thoughts. 4. Encourages consistency. When you always study with the same type of music, your brain starts associating it with study mode. Over time, this builds habit and discipline. Section 3. Best ways to use Lofi while studying. Here's how you can start using Lofi music effectively. 1. Choose instrumentals only. Avoid tracks with lyrics that can interfere with reading or writing tasks. 2. Use headphones. Noise-canceling headphones are ideal. Keep the volume low to medium. You shouldn't feel like you're listening, just immersed. 3. Study in Pomodoro blocks. Try the 25-5 Pomodoro technique with Lofi music. 25 minutes of deep focus, 5-minute break, no music, or switch to ambient. 4. Use these playlists. Here are a few of the most popular and effective Lofi channels. Lofi Girl, YouTube, Spotify, College Music, Chillhop, Bootleg Burst. Section 4. Bonus tips. Combine Lofi with white noise. If you're in a very noisy place, avoid multitasking. Let the music guide you into single task deep work. Experiment with different tempos. Slower Lofi for reading, slightly upbeat for problem solving or writing. Finally, so there you have it, a simple but powerful way to upgrade your study sessions using Lofi music. Have you ever studied with Lofi before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more study tips like this. Happy studying, and I'll see you in the next video.